September, the Math and Science Department is celebrating Ecology Month with the theme, Understanding Mathematically the Simplicity of the Ecology System. We are here at their launching activity, which is just a glimpse of the many activities they have prepared for this month.
This morning, we are going to have a little competition that will ask you to decide whether something is sometimes, always, and never true. Okay. So, as I said, your math and science teachers have prepared very exciting and fun activities starting with this one. So, our game for today is called The Last Man Standing. Without further ado, let's start the competition. Here's question number 1 from science. It says, all living things are multicellular. All living things are multicellular. Always, sometimes, never, so! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, are you sure of your answer? Yes, sir. Okay. You cannot even translate the question. Are you sure? All living things are multicellular. How do you translate this in Filipino, Sir Mike? Lahat na may buhay, lahat na may buhay ay may cellphone. The correct answer is sunshine! Congratulations! Let's proceed to the next question. Math. A square is a rectangle. A square is a rectangle. Always, sometimes, never, okay. So, a square is a rectangle. The answer is
Good morning. We are here with Sir Ray Hastra. Sir Ray, what can you say about this month's theme?
So the Math and Science Department jointly celebrate the Ecology Month by the theme Understanding Mathematically our ecological system.
Sir Ray, what are the activities that you have prepared this year for the Ecology and Mathematical Month?
So in relation to our Lasallian attribute cares for the Mother Earth, the Math and Science Departments jointly celebrate the Ecology Month with the theme Understanding Mathematically our ecological system.
Thank you, Sir Ray.
carefully. Steel is an example of a mixture. Steel is an